Hey guys, we got one for you today. We are making dill pickle bread. Everything is wanting dill pickles, like Sonic has dill pickle stuff, and everybody's wanting it. So we are trying it, and my granddaughter said she wants to try it, so we gotta save her some. And she said, what did I say? I can't remember now.
Bacon, lettuce, tomato.
She wanted a BLT with the dill pickle bread and put some ranch on it. So like a BLT bacon ranch sandwich.
Mm-hmm.
She loves the bacon ranch, chicken bacon ranch pizzas. So we're making dill pickle bread.
And I may make a grilled cheese with it. Because grilled cheese and
dill pickles. We
go
love
together,
grilled cheese with dill pickles.
Yeah.
Pause that a minute. I forgot to get something else. All right, we got it now. So first off, I have 3 cups of all-purpose flour in here. Okay? 3 cups. And then I'm going to put in a 1/4 cup of just granulated sugar. It's just a quick bread, guys. It's going to be easy. A teaspoon of salt. A tablespoon of baking powder. Okay, and then we're going to put in a 1/2 teaspoon of just dill. Woo! We're just going to wing it. Here we go. You never pick it up off the floor. So, all right. There we go. So,
that's close enough.
1/2 teaspoon of dill. Dill weed. All right. So we're going to stir that all up. And then we're going to mix our wet ingredients. Why don't I use this in the first place?
Yeah, why don't you?
Guys, we hope you're having a great day. Because we're doing videos all day.
All day long.
He's like, from morning till night. And I was like, yeah, we may have to stop in between there. So, we've got...
Well, you got to stop and eat some of it.
Yeah. 1/2 stick of butter. So, a 1/4 cup of butter. Melted. Okay?
Okay.
And 1 cup of dill pickles. Like, it looks like relish because, you know, that's what it is. But we have the dill pickle, whole dill pickles, and Billy chopped them up. So, there's 1 cup of dill pickles. And we got a 1/4 cup of dill pickle juice right out of the jar. It's already healthy, right?
Oh, I love drinking dill pickle juice, so I'm good.
And we've got 1 cup of just white milk. You could probably use buttermilk if you wanted.
You probably could. Well, that dill pickle juice might curdle it.
All right.
That's my job.
So, we've got 3 eggs we're going in. And guys, that's all the ingredients. So simple. 2. Oh, almost did it.
Well, look at that pretty egg holder.
And my pretty bowl when we went to Amish. I got that for 75 cents at a Mission thrift store. I like it.
Amish has really good thrift stores.
Yeah, I thought, what kind of stuff would they have at an Amish thrift store? They're cheap. Guys, cheap. When I get done with this, I'll show you the picture that we got. I was like, you know, I want to get something from here.
And what else did we get?
We got a chest. Like, I don't know, what we call them?
Like a hope chest.
Yeah, hope chest. That's what I was trying to get at.
But, you know.
A hope chest. And Billy was going to make one, and we found that one there at the Mission thrift store in Berlin, Ohio. On the way to Berlin. And it needed just a little bit of repair on the inside, and it's solid, what? Walnut. And I've been wanting something for the foot of the bed to put blankets and stuff in and to sit on when you get dressed or put your shoes on. And he found that one up there for $50. So he's like, I can't buy the wood for that. So we got it, fixed it. He redid it, put some stain on the inside, and
It wasn't stained inside, and the corners on the inside had gaps. So I fixed all that. I re-glued everything, added a piece of wood to it, and then I restained the whole inside of it, and it looked like brand new.
So, and he already hit his foot on it in the dark last time.
Gotta get used to it being there.
I knew he would. Well, I use a flashlight, or I use my phone light when I get up.
I don't. I just film my way.
Yeah, not me. All right, so we're going to pour the liquid into the dry, okay?
Okay.
Then I have a 9x5 cast iron buttered. Use whatever you got, guys. Don't have to be cast iron. That's just what I'm using. It smells like pickly.
Yeah.
Mix this all together. Looks like a lot to go in there, though, but we'll see.
You don't mix it, huh? You just...
I am mixing it.
I mean with a mixer.
No. Quick breads and brownies, you just use by your hand because you don't want them to mix up too much.
Make them tough?
Mm-hmm. Just want to get them just incorporated.
Yeah, we want it light and airy.
To make your grilled cheese with.
Yeah. I'm curious to see what it tastes like.
And my granddaughter said, "No, make sure you save me some of that."
I was like, I can't promise nothing.
You may have to make another batch.
Depends on how good it is, you know.
And guys, this is stuff that we already have at the house anyway. I mean, we don't do no hard recipes here. It's all just simple stuff.
We were talking about recipes this morning. I thought, what about a dill pickle bread? Just thinking I made something up. And she's like, oh, yeah, I've seen recipes for that. I was like, oh, okay.
Yes.
So she got all excited, wanted to try it.
Because we already have everything. I like it when I don't have to go to the store for something.
Yeah.
It's like everything is already here.
Well, most of the time we have everything because we
I try to work my recipes around.
tried to plan ahead.
Yeah. All right, so we're going to pour it in here. It looks like a lot, though.
I bet it's not. If it's too much, make a couple muffins.
No, I think it's going to be fun.
Yeah, it will be.
Depends on how much it raises.
It should raise a lot.
He won't be able to wait the hour it's going to take to cook.
Oh, my.
And then cool. He'll be like, no, I can't wait. All right. Right, guys. 350 degree oven for 50 to 60 minutes. We'll let you know. All right, guys. This is the picture that I got at that thrift store. Brand new. Still had the tags on it and everything. And the back wasn't... See, this here was covered up. I took the cover off of that, so it had never even been hung up. And it's from Marshall's. So, brand new. It says love, and then it's John 3:16 on it. That's going in the front room. I love it. It's pretty. And this is like a canvas over top of this. I thought it was glass and, you know, just printed, but that's a canvas for $3. I was like,
$3.
that's coming home with me.
Yeah.
With us. All right. All right, guys. It was in my oven for 55 minutes at 350 degrees. This is what it looks like. Nice quick bread. Looks yummy. And it smells like dill pickles. Imagine that. All right. So it's hot, and I don't know how you eat it, but I'm going to put some butter on it. Billy's wanting to make a grilled cheese with it. So
I think that'd be fantastic.
Might try that after a while.
Yeah, I think we're going to have to do that.
All right. Here we go.
Of course, she stowed the heel, which is my favorite part.
There's another one. Maybe. If I like it, there may not be another one. It's quite good.
It is good. I had to steal a little corner off
He stole a little piece.
I couldn't wait.
It is good. I mean, if you like dill pickles, yeah, I mean, they've got dill pickle pizza too, I've seen. I don't know if I would like that. Probably. I mean, if you like pickles.
I think I got to try the grilled cheese because with that bread, oh my.
Delicious, guys.
It's got a little sweetness at the back side of it when it, after you taste it and it swallow it, you feel that sweetness.
Yeah.
It's really good.
It is. I would do it again. I'd make it again. So, guys, give this a try. It is really good. If you got dill pickles in your refrigerator, you probably have everything else. And the recipe didn't call for dill weed. I just stuck it in there because I had it. So you don't even have to use it. You don't have to go out and buy it if you don't have it. So, and the other stuff, flour and sugar, butter, probably got all that. All right, guys. Good one. I'd do it again. So like, comment, share, subscribe, please. And help us grow. And thanks for watching the Biker, Baker, and Mr. Smith show with dill pickle bread. Yum. Have a great day.